everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I do mini tutorials on Highrise Studio, and today we are going to show you how to import assets from the Highrise Asset Store. So to get started, we're going to locate Highrise along the top menu, and then from the drop down menu we're going to go to Studio and then Asset Catelogue. Here it'll bring up the Asset Catelogue. Here you'll find assets from both players and Highrise stuff. You can download these at your leisure at any time. So I will just locate an asset that I want to use. I'm going to use vending machine number 1. So to install the asset, I just have to click the little arrow key and that'll download it for me. And then a little progress bar will show us the progress of that installation. When that's done, we can X out of that. And then in our project view, we go down to Assets, Downloads, and then you'll be able to see the file that you just downloaded, in my case, vending machine. Once you've opened that file, you'll find a prefab asset, which you can then drag and drop into your scene. And then I'll just rotate that so that we can see it. And we can scale, resize, and move that how we like. So I'll move that back and to the side a little bit. I might make it a little bit smaller. And that's how you import assets from the Highrise Asset Store. If you do like this channel, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.